Skylar, come here.
Here's insect encounters. I don't have too long, so I'm just going to do a quick little walkthrough. Well, this looks like there's a huge thing in here.
So any of the bees that will help.
Looks like it's like a lot of information booths, but the main thing to look at is right over here. There's some amber like in Jurassic Park. That's really cool. Look at that. But when Cypress Gardens was Cypress Gardens, before it was Legoland, they had a really nice display like this there. Some really massive insects to look at. I mean, look how big those things are. I mean, look, there's my hand. See how big that is? That's a stick insect. Look, it's a giant walking stick one. Look how beautiful those butterflies are. Wow. That's really cool. It's one of the things I was hoping to see today. Check out the other side. Start over here. Some different snails. Sorry if I'm being a little quick on this. Damn flies. Hoping to make another show that I really want to show on my channel. Look at those spiders. Ooh. Look how big those things are. See, look. That is creepy. There's a wolf spider. I've seen them before here. They're big. The Peruvian tarantula. Some scorpions. Centipede. They're Spider-Man. I've seen those orb weavers. No thanks. These are wasps, bees, and ants. Look at those beetles. Look how big that one is. Wow, look at that. I can't get too close. With the window in front of it, it kind of makes it go blurry if I get too close sometimes. Some different bees, beetles, and flies. But that's really cool. Then I'll walk around the room really quickly.
That's his tongue. Oh, yeah.
That's awesome.
Why is it so long? Probably a type of flower that he likes the nectar. It's very long.
Guess that little string there, that's his tongue. Mediterranean fruit flies.
Because you can't just peel them back. But like I would never use my 7
And they'll put out the baits?
I wish I had more time to go through this slowly for you guys. Just some different roaches. A whole bunch of scientific displays. Like I said, I'm a little bit of a rush. Where I spend some more time. Let's just peek at this little house here. That's cool. Bugwood Estates. This is a little walkthrough here. Alright, let's get on to the next thing.